Fellow Nigerians and former Nigerians, whether you are a Nigerian living in London, whether you are a Nigerian living outside London, whether you are Biafra, whether you are Duduwa, whether you are from Bendel, from Arewa, this broadcast is for you. There is fire on the mountain. The time has come for us to put our differences aside and fight a common agitation against the insecurity going on in Nigeria as superintended by the so-called retired Army General Muhammadu Buhari and his gang members. If you are agitating to break Nigeria to get your own country, we respect your views, but the time has come for us to fight this common battle together. Because if we allow Buhari and his gang members to kill our families back home, there will be no new country for you. The problem of insecurity is concerning each and every one of us from the north, south, east, or west of Nigeria. Now, since Buhari has resorted to attack, arrest, detain, and shoot to death peaceful protesters in Nigeria, the time has come for us in the diaspora to take this problem to the international community. Because we live in a free society, we can express ourselves because we have normal governments ruled by, operated and governed by normal people in the countries that we are living. Since Buhari has resorted and his politicians have resorted to giving tramadol and sticks and 1,000 naira to the same sufferers to attack our protesters in Nigeria, we are going to take the issue of security out of Nigeria onto the public space. The time has come for us now to stop the agitations on social media. The time has come for us to take it onto the physical arena of the struggle. Enough is enough. A president that cannot secure his country has no reason to be addressed as His Excellency. If the primary aim of governance in Nigeria, according to our constitution, is the provision of security and welfare in Nigeria, since Buhari has failed in both, there is nothing more to discuss. Therefore, on behalf of the Global Coalition for Security and Democracy in Nigeria, I am standing here as Frederick Omoyoma-Odorige, the global coordinator of the coalition, to confirm that we in the diaspora will be protesting in London on the 12th of June at the Parliament Square. You've heard a video by our brother Joseph Okechukwu saying that it will be at the Downing Street. But we have discussed, and the arrangement is that we are all going to meet at the Parliament Square in London by 11 a.m., 12th June. If we finish from there, then we shall proceed to 10 Downing Street, the base of the Prime Minister of Britain. Because the time has come for we Nigerians to stand up. Because the media, local and international, they now select the type of news and the type of slaughtering that they announce in Nigeria. Now, people are being killed 10, 20, 40, 50, 100, kidnapped in hundreds. Human beings, not chickens. And we have a president that is deemed to be alive. We have a DSS that has become politicized. The director of DSS is now more interested in recruiting people from his local government area against federal character. And that is why the DSS has become too weak. or proactive to fight the ongoing insecurity going on in our country. We shall no longer accept this. Many times we say enough is enough, but this time around, we are really saying that enough is really enough. I must give credit to the initiator of this program, our brother Joseph Okechukwu. If you're an activist wherever you are, if you initiate good programs or you have superior ideas, the Global Coalition for Security and Democracy in Nigeria will be more than willing to join, support, promote, and expand what you are doing. As long as it is for the public interest of the Nigerian people, as long as it is a non-violent agitation. Now, please share this video, share the video of Joseph Okechukwu also. Nigerians are meeting, this time in a different way, in London, 12th June. And that is just the beginning. We are going to continue from there. It is not going to be a one-day protest. We shall move to the United Nations headquarters. We shall move to the European headquarters in Brussels. We are going to the US Capitol because of this, because it is enough. This blood is not our portion. Our country is drenched in blood, and people are politicizing it. We are no more going to be silent about this. Enough is enough. People are being killed in their sleep. People can no longer travel in Nigeria. We cannot continue like this. We cannot continue like this. This is not the Nigeria that we know. They slaughter 80, 100 from Buhari's Katsina to my hometown. The whole of Yoruba land is wet with blood. The whole of the eastern region is wet in blood. Massacres are going on daily. Nothing is improving. It is getting worse every day. We can no longer be silent to what is happening in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The terrorists that Buhari imported for his election in 2015, they have refused to leave, and many from outside Nigeria have come to join them. Buhari technically planned all of these things, and the first thing he did was to open our borders to terrorists to come and invade our land, and for them to come and collect our national identification numbers and the passports of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The time has come to say no. We are not going there to protest against the failure of APC, which is apparent. We are not going there to recount the failure of PDP, which is apparent. We are not going there to protest the 1.5 trillion naira that was found in the bank account of NIMASA director Bashir Jimo. We are not going there to talk about the 70 billion contract collected by Mrs. Amechi Rotimi, wife of the Minister of Transport, under the NDDC. We are not going there to talk about the 39.5 billion which the Nigerian Senate used in padding the 2021 budget. We are not going there to talk about the Nigerian Senate that continues to earn the highest in the world, in the capital, a poverty capital of the world, with over 20 million children roaming on the street. That is not what we are going to talk about. We are not going there to talk about our state governors that continue to steal and misappropriate monthly security votes. No, we are going to address each and all of those problems in the very near future. But we are going there specifically to cry out to the international community about the ongoing genocide in Nigeria. We want to know why the international media are no longer broadcasting enough the genocide going on in Nigeria. We want to know why the international community is silent. If what is happening today in Nigeria is happening in any of the so-called developed country, they would have all rallied support for themselves. But here we are, abandoned by the international community, and you call us members of the Commonwealth. What is common about the Commonwealth? You call us members of the United Nations. What is united about the nations when you are silent as our people are being killed daily in Nigeria? Now, are you waiting? Is the international community waiting for Nigeria to be into full-blown war so that you can begin to budget for peacekeeping and for rebuilding, or to siphon our natural resources in the times of war? Is that what you are waiting for? You allowed the genocide to continue in Rwanda in 1994, July. Thereafter, you said you regretted, the United Nations said that they regretted not acting fast against the genocide going on in Rwanda. Now, you want that same genocide to continue in Nigeria so that in the future, the United Nations will say that they regret not acting quickly. No, we shall not wait for that. We shall not wait for that. If America, the United Nations, the United Kingdom, or the European Union cannot act quickly, we call on Russia to step into Nigeria and do what you can do as far as military intervention to stop the genocide is concerned. Now, you may want to ask, why the United Kingdom? Why are we going there to protest in the United Kingdom? One, Buhari has lost control of the governance of Nigeria. We are going there because Buhari continues to kill innocent Nigerians at the slightest excuse because they congregated. We are going to the United Kingdom because the United Kingdom is respected amongst the international world, in the international community. They have a voice. We are going to the United Kingdom because they colonized Nigeria, and they still have a hand in the politics of Nigeria. We are going to the United Kingdom because the same style which they used in invading the Benin Kingdom in 1897 is the same style that Buhari and his gang members are using today. When the British came to the Benin Kingdom, they razed houses, they raped women, they burned houses, they kidnapped, they killed, and they stole our artifacts. Those artifacts today are objects of terrorism, and they are still being commercialized in the United Kingdom. Today, human beings are being kidnapped, homes and villages have been razed in Nigeria, and human beings are now become objects or commodities of commercialization, just like the artifacts in the British Museum. So therefore, we are saying that the UK should come to Nigeria to undo what they have done. We are going to the United Kingdom to tell them to ask Buhari to stop the kidnapping, because in 1984, when Buhari tried to kidnap Umaru Diko in the United Kingdom, the UK police, they stopped him. That same tactics which they used in stopping Buhari in 1984, we are calling that today they should use that same tactics. Nigeria is bleeding profusely from all ends. We shall no longer be talking and arguing on Facebook or the social media. The blood of our people, the blood is crying. The blood of Nigerians are crying, and we can no longer be silent from abroad. We must do everything it takes to restore sanity in our country. Buhari is not bigger than Nigeria. Buhari and his spokesman, Shehu Garba or Malami, whoever they are not bigger than Nigeria. The time has come. See each and every one of you on the 12th of June, 11 a.m., Parliament Square, London. Enough is truly enough. God will bless each and every one of us. Thank you.